Hey crystal lovers, welcome back. A lot of people ask me, where can I get cleansing items and spiritual items that could help energize my space and purify my environment at a reasonable price? And I'm gonna let you know that you can get them, a lot of them, at Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna go inside and get some items, and I wanna show you what you could get for your energizing list and to-dos. Score! Here's all these amazing items, you guys, and there's so much you could do with everything on this on the table here. Okay, so first let's start with love. When I think of love, I want to bring the energy of flowers into my home, into my energy field, and these are amazing flowers for love. Orchids. Fill your house with orchids in your bedroom, in your living room, wherever you can have orchids. It brings this energy of love. And if we're talking about roses, the flower of love, I always like to, if I want to have friendship, I want to give my friends pink roses, because pink roses are for friendship and red roses are for love. But you can also use red carnations. That is an amazing love flower. And sometimes, say for example, you're not feeling well or there was sickness in a room. This is when you bring in white roses. White roses help to absorb negative energy of illness. So incorporating flowers in your life as an energetic medicine is super, super powerful. So I love to use sage to cleanse and purify crystals in rings and tumbled stones. And it's super simple. All I do is I get fresh sage and I'll take a couple pieces and I will either wrap it up and I'll hold it in my hands and I'll be sage to the spirit of sage, please cleanse and purify all energy of this crystal. And then I will let it sit for a while. And if you have a whole bunch of sage, you can kind of put it there. And I let it just absorb and seep. And this is great to do if you don't want to smoke out your crystals. If you're in an environment that you can't have smoke going on, this gives you an added way to cleanse and purify your stones. Okay, so I love this blend when I want to have an extra layer of protection in front of my house. And what I do is I take some sea salt and I pour it in a little container. It could be a cup or a bowl. I add some sea salt. Then I get some red chili pepper flakes and just shake some in. And then what I like to do is I like to add some saffron, just a pinch of saffron. So you have your blend here and I just mix it up. And what I will do is shake this in front of my doorway underneath the doormat, and it puts an extra layer of protection in front of your house. Okay, so now if you want to bring an abundance into your life, and this is a little secret, I'm going to teach you how to use fresh basil for a prosperity bath and how to use oranges to bring more abundance into your life. And if you want another cleansing technique on how to cleanse your crystals, I like to take some rice, I put it in a big bowl, and I'll put a crystal that I want to cleanse, and I'll put that in the rice in a glass bowl, and I'll let it sit for about 3 days. And I let all the energy of the rice soak up any unwanted energy from the crystal, and I take the crystal out and it will feel completely different and cleansed and purified. And these are all ingredients that you can find at Trader Joe's at a very affordable price to help you on cleansing, purifying, and bringing good energy into your life. So if you like what you heard today, please like, subscribe, and always remember to keep your intentions crystal clear.